So what is British Science Week? British Science Week is an annual 10-day celebration of science, technology, engineering and maths. This is also known as STEM. It typically takes place during the month of March. For 2023, British Science Week will be from the 10th to the 19th of March. The idea behind the programme is to raise awareness, spark enthusiasm and celebrate science, engineering, technology and maths with people of all ages from all walks of life. Each year has a theme. The theme for 2023 is connections. There are examples of connections everywhere, whether that's in our bodies, in our gadgets, or in the world around us. That's what makes it such a wonderful topic for this year's British Science Week. There are connections to other planets, between different animals and their habitats, and even electrical connections that means you can watch this on your screen or even through a projector in school. Twinkl have so many great resources that you can use in the classroom for this year's British Science Week. The EYFS and Key Stage 1 British Science Week 2023 PowerPoint is the perfect way to introduce this year's British Science Week theme to your class. Or why not try the Key Stage 2 version of this PowerPoint, which is a wonderful resource that can introduce the theme of connections, aimed for Key Stage 2 children. So, what will you be doing for this year's British Science Week? Let us know in the comments below.